Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbud Cellularline FLICK on your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. Then, at the first line, we have the name. Tap at this line, and right here you can write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text and add something like this one. The most important is to click Done to save this new name. But if you have iOS 26, you will have Checkmark button, not Done. So tap at that button, we just save it, so if I go back, you can see that we changed the name. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!